Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Info Card. Today we will going to learn how to disable USB drive in Windows 7. So whether it is laptop or desktop, so how we can do it, just check it out. So first we have to write run, then here you have to write regedit, regedit, and click on OK. Then registry editor page will open. Here you have to select H key local machine. I will show you in zoom so that you can see it properly. Yes, you can see that H key local machine. You have to click on it, H key local machine. Then you have to click system. Then you have to click current control set. Once again I will zoom it. H key local machine. Then under this you can find system. Click on system. Under this you can find current control set. Under this you have to click on services. In services, what you have to find? You have to find USB store. So I am finding USB STOR. Here it is, USB STOR. So click on it. Here you can find USB store. Yes. Then you have to click on start. Double click start, or you can modify it by right click. Then you have to change the hexadecimal value data. The value data here written is 3. You have to change it to 4. Okay. Then click on OK. After that your USB drive is disabled. If you want to get back to your USB drive enable, so you just change the value 4 to 3, and this is how you can enable or disable your USB drive. Hope this video will help you. So always thanking you guys for watching this video. Catching more in my next tutorials. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.